energy when you step into the building, as it was for me when I first came here last night, but wasn't able to film. But I did take some clips on my phone, but I had to get permission now to film, obviously, on the big camera. Everywhere you look, there is something to be admired. And let me know in the comments below if you are amazed by this place. Did you expect Iraq to have something like this? We see lots of negative headlines about Iraq, but do we see the positive side? Incredible places of beauty such as this, which most people in the Western world or outside the Arabic world have very little knowledge of. From the Abbas shrine, we are now heading over to Imam Hussain shrine across the way. It's only a few minutes stroll between them, and this beautiful marble area which I started the video in last night. A bit quieter this time of year, so the boy crowds come at night time. Now entering into the Imam Hussain shrine, beheaded in the Battle of Karbala in the 7th century, and oh my gosh, it does not disappoint. Again, gold at the entrance. This here is the place of Imam Hussein's slaughter, where his martyrdom started from, and you can see it's lit up in red in the middle there. Unfortunately, I don't have permission to film inside the inner chamber of the Imam Hussain shrine here, but you saw the other one. Take it from me, this one is even better.